never knew.
If it calls for it,
Mike.
boom, I'll kill him. He's there.
Let's start again. Hip hip.
Bula guys, so today we're at Nassau Park. We're doing rugby drills with the students. The school consists of primary and secondary, so it's going to be a good day.
I can't wait to see the kids, like I said in the first place. Yeah. Wait, guys. Tell you guys something. I thought we were gonna those school visits where you just sit, sit and look at the kids.
Bula Vinaka, I'm Mrs. Liliata Vindali. I teach at Maurice Convent School, and I'm actively involved with Kachiana Rugby here in Overlau. We are super excited to have the Nrua team here to give us a coaching clinic. The children were looking forward before we knew that you were coming. They had already gathered that information on social media. I speak on behalf of the children of Maurice Convent. First, we are excited. Secondly, we are thankful that we had this opportunity to be amongst the well-known names in Rua. And lastly, I think you've given us memories to take with us back in years to come to talk about Vinaka.
Boom. Yeah? Get here. Right in here. See my leg? Up. Boom. It's called a tracking drill. So I'm going to go, and all I'm doing, boom. Two-handed touch. Go.
Kula natango sa saftaran kula. Ang ngani oblaw. So bay cik ngin remba. Talita kan antol kamana ciminin roni gua. Salib saraka ki membulita. Sini renda rara tanga nawalew.
Natango Monica. Nakabulida Nika me paleta na vipasi.
Naka natango ratus avralim na bakarogo. Nakangabulida Nika na passing skills kena na target tackling skills.
Natango alam niya ande nelati au ngani televu au bulit ni ko na passing kena tackle.
Lana kana natango Caitlin nakabulit ni ko matana passing.
Assassin sila ng flex to sa ranin tabi. Kailan next school on Good morning from inside the boat on our way back to Natovi. Just a summary of our two-day program. First of all, it's first time for us as a franchise as Nrua to be on the old capital, just to see the interaction with the children, with the fans, with the kids, especially with the stakeholders. Not forgetting PEFCO for hosting us with a factory tour. In general, 2 days has been overwhelming with joy. It has been a success, and most importantly, looking at the various schools, the various teachers, students, as well as the program proper. So I think it's been a successful one overall. Naka.